Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make 10,000 Ks amount with video editing. So if you love video editing, you can turn it into a high income skill and make 10,000 per month. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced editor, this is a step-by-step plan to scale your earnings. So the first step, you need to master in-demand video editing skills. So to earn more, you need to offer high-paying services. You need to focus on short-form content such as Reels, TikTok, Shorts, because it has fastest growing market. And you can also focus on YouTube video editing because it's long form and needs high quality edits. Next, you can also focus on corporate and business editings, course and tutorial editings, and lastly, motion graphics and animations because it will earn you more money for advanced skills. And the software that you need to learn for beginner, you can use VN Video Editor, CapCut, or iMovie. For intermediate, you can use the DaVinci Resolve or Filmora. And for the advanced one, you can use or learn the Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, and Final Cut Pro. The second step, you need to offer freelance video editing services because the fastest way to start earning is through freelancing. So if you want to find clients, you can use a freelance website such as Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. And you can also do social media and direct outreach. You can message YouTuber, influencers, businesses, or on Instagram, Twitter, or LinkedIn. You can also join Facebook groups related to video editing and content creations. And you can also just find small businesses, coaches, brands who need editors and pitch your services. So for the pricing strategy, for beginner, you can just go with a 10 to $50 per video, intermediate 100 until 500 per videos, and for expert 500 until $2,000 per projects. Next steps, you can scale to 10,000 K per month with these strategies. First, get high ticket clients. So work with YouTube influencer, coaches, and businesses who need regular videos and offer long-term packages. Second one, edit viral short form content because it has easy scaling. Chart from 30 to 100 per TikTok reel or short, and edit 5 to 10 short videos per day. And you can also use batch editing to deliver faster. And don't forget to build a team and outsource works because once you're getting too many orders, you can hire an assistant editor. And don't forget to sell online courses or digital products for more income. And you can also start a YouTube channel and monetize it. You can share video editing tutorials and behind the scenes content and monetize your YouTube ad revenue, sponsorship, and affiliate links. Next, you can also automate and build a sustainable business. High income video editors don't just work for clients because they also build a system. And for the final tips, you need to be fast and reliable because client pays more for speed and quality, and charge a premium rate, so don't underprice yourself. Offer video packages you can do with monthly deals or because it will become a recurring income. And don't forget to keep learning and improving because trends change fast and you need to stay updated. And don't forget to build relationships and networks because it will bring you more clients and referrals. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.